Hey everybody, Nathan Ronen, CFA here with another update for you, specifically for Level 3 candidates contemplating or already registered to take the exam in 2025. Yeah, it's only June 2024 and we're already looking at 2025. The gates are open for the Level 3 exam in February 2025, and in a few more months it'll be open for August of 2025. Well, one of the questions I've been receiving is, hey Nathan, I know that there's a new requirement in 2025 for Level 3 candidates. We have to do a practical skills module just like Level 1 and Level 2. Which ones are available to us? Which one do you think I should do? Do I have to do it? So if you want to hear this discussion on the practical skills module for Level 3 candidates, please press the subscribe button and the notifications button now so that you can continue to receive these updates as I post them on a weekly or bi-weekly basis. Okay, well, Nathan, I'm considering the Level 3 program, or Nathan, I'm signed up for the Level 3 program. I'm getting these emails, text messages, and phone calls a lot about this, and people are a little bit confused about the practical skills modules. Some people are obviously familiar with it because they did it at Level 1 or Level 2, and others are not because they've been a Level 3 candidate for a while, or it's the first time they're taking the Level 3, or they've been out of the program for a while. So I want to make sure everybody knows that in 2025, you will be responsible as a Level 3 candidate for completing one of the 5 different choices that you have for the practical skills modules. The practical skills module material, which the CFA Institute claims takes about 10 to 15 hours to complete. It's a series of, videos and little mini, quizzes or tests within it. I think it might take you a little bit longer. It might take you closer to 20 to 25 hours if you're taking it seriously and you want to learn something. But okay, when do you have to do it? You could do it anytime you want, but you should probably do it after you take your exam because you're not being tested on any content in the practical skills modules on the Level 3 exam. So why bother right now unless you have a lot of time and a lot of spare time? I probably would leave it until after you take the exam and complete the 10, 15, 20, 25 hours that you need before the exam results are released 7 to 8 weeks later. So, that'll give you at least the ability to focus on studying for the CFA Level 3 exam and not worrying about the practical skills module. The other question is, what are these 5 practical skills modules? Well, to be honest with you, I'll give you a quick synopsis, but a lot of it is discussed on the CFA Institute's website, in greater detail. But there are 5 practical skills modules that you can select from. Some of them are exactly the same as those that are offered at Level 1 and Level 2. And if you've done them at Level 1 or Level 2 before, you can't repeat them. So you'll need to select a practical skills module that you have never done before or never completed or got credit for at Level 1 or Level 2. The 5 practical skills modules are Analyst Skills, Financial Modeling, that's number 2, Python, Data Science, and Artificial Intelligence. That's the 3rd one. Then the 4th one is Python Programming. And then the 5th one, which is probably going to interest most of you, is the Portfolio Development and Construction Practical Skills module. So those are the 5. Now, the Analyst Skills, in a nutshell, what you're going to be doing there is you're going to be analyzing best-in-class practices of equity research analysts and applying them to your, to your own, if you will, practice. Okay, that's how the CFA Institute kind of describes it. With the financial modeling practical skills module, you're gonna be building a 3-statement financial model, and you're going to be demonstrating and understanding business issues and technical skills. Okay. With the 3rd one, Python, Data Science, and Artificial Intelligence, here you're going to be developing skills to execute financial data science workflows using Python by applying advanced machine learning techniques. Okay. The 4th one is called Python Programming. It's the fundamentals of Python programming. And here the goal is to become fluent in writing Python code using Jupyter notebooks, if that's of interest to you. And then probably as a level 3 candidate, many of you will want to select the portfolio development and construction, where you're going to develop, implement, and manage an institutional investor portfolio based on the material that you've learned in the CFA curriculum and using advanced Excel skills. Okay. Which one of the 5 is the best? It's up to you. Whatever your career aspirations are, whatever your interests are. Honestly, if you asked me, I would probably think that the portfolio development and construction practical skills module would make the most sense or would be the most interesting to most candidates. But hey, everybody's different. That's why there are choices. Again, you cannot, if you've done analyst skills, for example, at level 2, you can't do it at level 3. If you did financial modeling at level 1, you can't do it at level 3. And if you did Python programming at level 1 or level 2, then you can't do it at level 3. So, you might have fewer choices than 5 if you've done any of the practical skills modules earlier. But if you asked me, hey, Nathan, which one should I do? I'd probably say, hey, look, you're trying to become a charter holder here. You want the CFA designation. You're looking for a career in portfolio management or as an analyst. You'd probably enjoy more the portfolio development and construction practical skills module. And I'd select that and enjoy it because it sounded to me like the most interesting. But hey, I'm not everybody, and maybe you're more of a programmer and you want to learn more Python, or you want to have that additional skill on your resume. So you do the Python Programming Fundamentals or the Python Data Science and Artificial Intelligence. Again, it's a personal choice. Nobody can make the choice for you. And then if you're worried about, it's so tough to make this decision because I want to do all of them, you can do all of them. You could do one of them as a level 3 candidate. And then once you pass the level 3 exam, you will have access to all the other 4 modules as a charter holder. No problem at all, okay? Or if you don't pass the level 3 exam, the next time you take the level 3 exam, you could do one of the other modules. It's up to you. So you're not going to miss out on anything. You'll still have access at some point to all these different practical skills module. Just select the one that you like the best for, the purposes of getting your exam scores released after the February or the August exam in 2025. And then you can always access the other modules as a charter holder and a paying member of the CFA Institute. All right, so that's my 2 cents on the practical skills module. I think it's a nice little addition. I know it's a little bit extra work, but you might get something out of these modules that you would not have gotten otherwise. There's going to be nothing on your charter that says you did the practical skills module, so just choose the one you like. All right, and if you have any other questions, you can reach out to me. You could check out my website. You can always, my name, my email address, my phone number is there. It's chalkandboard.org. That's CHALK and AND, board, BOARD. That's chalkandboard.org. I'm Nathan Ronen. I'm a charter holder, and I'm happy to help you to pass your level 3 exam or to answer any other questions that you have. And I look forward to hearing from you. Good luck in your decision, and good luck on the February 2025 exam if you're planning to take it or if you're registered to take it already. Have a good day.